Welcome dear students to Teach Tech Global, and I wish you a very happy new year 2025. The new year is just with us, and I hope that you have done everything that you aspired of in the year 2024, and may this new year bring new opportunities to all of you. Also, let us make it very interesting. 2025, guys, 2025 is a mathematical year. But you will question, how come it's a mathematical year? Every year has some digits like 2024, 2023, and then the upcoming year would be 2026. But I'm telling you, this year 2025 is a mathematical wonder. How? Let's find it out. If I say mathematical wonder, I'm not just playing any trick with you. I'll prove it to you that 2025, the number itself, is a mathematical wonder. Let's begin. When we talk about 2025, it is a perfect square, isn't it? Whose square is 2025? 2025 is a square of 45. If we multiply 45 with 45, the resultant would be 2025. Isn't it very interesting? But you could say that it's not just only a perfect square year. There are many more. There could have been even before this and even after this. We'll come to that also, but let's understand some more important things, that it's the product of two square numbers as well. Which two square numbers? Let me tell you, the two square numbers are 9 and 5. Square of 9 when multiplied with square of 5, that is 81 times 25, results into 2025. Again, very interesting thing, isn't it? Also, if I move ahead, it is the sum of three square numbers. Which three square numbers? I am telling you right away, 40, 20 and 5. Square of 40 added with square of 20 added with square of 5 results into 2025. You don't believe me? Let me just tell you. Square of 40, 1600. Square of 20, 400. And square of 5, 25. 1600 plus 400 plus 25 results into 2025. Yes, correct. Let's get into more facts. 2025 is the sum of cube of digits from 1 to 9. How many digits are there in mathematics? You tell me first. 0 to 9, isn't it? 10 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I cube all of them and add them together, the sum is going to be 2025. You can look at it. 1 cube added with 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 7 cube, 6 cube, 8 cube, 9 cube. When you add all of them, I'm giving you it as a task that you will add them, their cubes. The sum is going to be 2025. It's quite an interesting thing. Also, it's the first square year after 1936. 1936 is the square of 44, and after that, the next square year is this year, 2025, square of 45. And the next year, the next square year that our generations might not see is going to be 2116. That is 92 years away. Isn't it very interesting? And wouldn't you call it to be a mathematical year? Yes, 2025. Let's make it a year to remember as the mathematical marvel. And once again, I wish you a bright and successful new year 2025. May this year bring endless possibilities to learn and grow. Keep aiming high, keep working hard toward your goals, and keep watching Teach Tech Global. Thank you so much. Take care.